Want to get this show ad-free? Head to dailytechnewsshow.com/subscribe to find out how.
Imagine the merging of trusted intelligence into a unified experience. Imagine collaboration amongst teams and across continents. Imagine an empowered ecosystem designed to deliver actionable insights that inspire growth and sustainability. That's the power of the Connect Industrial Intelligence Platform to help you see further, innovate faster, accomplish more. That's the Connect Effect. Learn more at that'stheconnecteffect.com.
Does it ever feel like you're a marketing professional just speaking into the void? Well, with LinkedIn ads, you can know you're reaching the right decision makers. You can even target buyers by job title, industry, company, seniority, skills. Wait, did I say job title yet? Get started today and see how you can avoid the void and reach the right buyers with LinkedIn ads. We'll even give you a $100 credit on your next campaign. Get started at linkedin.com/results. Terms and conditions apply.
AI requires a lot of compute power, and the cost for your AI workloads can spiral. That is, unless you're running on OCI, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. This was the cloud built for AI, a blazing fast enterprise-grade platform for your infrastructure, database apps, and all of your AI workloads.
Right now, Oracle can cut your current cloud bill in half if you move to OCI. Minimum financial commitment and other terms apply. Offer ends March 31st. See if you qualify at oracle.com/tech headlines. Oracle.com/tech headlines.
These are the Daily Tech Headlines for Tuesday, March 4th, 2025. I'm Rob Dunwood. Apple has introduced new 11-inch and 13-inch iPad Air models featuring the M3 chip, available for pre-order starting Tuesday, that's today, and launching on March 12th. Priced at $599 for the 11-inch model and $799 for the 13-inch model, the iPad Air with M3 comes in 4 colors. While it supports Apple Intelligence, it does not include Apple's latest M4 chip. However, Apple claims the M3-powered iPad Air is nearly twice as fast as the M1 model and up to 3.5 times faster than the A14 Bionic version. TSMC, the world's largest semiconductor manufacturer, has announced an additional $100 billion in investments over the next 4 years to expand advanced semiconductor manufacturing in the United States. Originally planning a $40 billion investment in Arizona, TSMC increased it to $65 billion after becoming a CHIPS Act recipient, receiving $6.6 billion in grants under the Biden administration. With this latest announcement, the company's total planned investment now reaches $165 billion, which TSMC calls, quote, the largest single foreign direct investment in U.S. history, end quote. The expansion was announced by Chairman and CEO C.C. Wei at the White House alongside President Donald Trump. Waymo and Uber have launched a robotaxi service in Austin, Texas as part of their deepening partnership. The Waymo on Uber service allows users to choose between a Waymo robotaxi or a human-driven vehicle at the same price. The launch comes just days before the South by Southwest conference and marks a significant expansion of Waymo's robotaxi service. Tech giants Meta, Snapchat, and TikTok have urged Australia to reconsider its decision to exempt YouTube from laws banning social media access for children under 16. Australia's parliament approved the legislation in November, imposing some of the world's strictest limits on social media, requiring platforms to block underage logons or face fines of up to $49.5 million Australian or $31 million US. YouTube is set to be exempt as it's considered an educational tool and the only platform permitted for children with a supervised family account. However, Meta argued that YouTube offers the same features the government cited to justify the ban, including algorithmic recommendations, social interaction, and potential exposure to harmful content, calling for equal enforcement of the law across all platforms. At Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, Meta and the Internet Society announced a new project, the Connectivity Co-Funding Initiative. This initiative aims to expand affordable internet access globally. The partners have pledged $30 million in investments through 2030 to fund the infrastructure development in underserved communities, often overlooked by commercial providers. Additionally, the initiative will support training and programs to enhance technical skills in marginalized areas, community-centric solutions for underserved regions, and locally owned networks that simulate job creation. Google is implementing changes to the Google Play Store on Android devices to improve the discoverability of apps with widgets. These changes are in response to developers' requests for better ways for users to find and use their widgets. These changes include a new search filter for widgets, widget badges on app detail pages, and a curated editorial page dedicated to widgets. Product manager Yinka Taiwo Peters acknowledges that the effort required to build and maintain widgets needs to be justified by user adoption. OpenAI announced NextGen AI, a new consortium to support AI-assisted research at top universities with 15 founding academic partners, including Harvard, Oxford, and MIT. The program will provide $50 million in research grants, compute funding, and API access to students, educators, and researchers over the next several months. OpenAI aims to fuel the next generation of discoveries and prepare the next generation to shape AI's future through this initiative. Amazon, according to Business Insider, is developing its own artificial intelligence model to compete with established offerings from companies like OpenAI and Anthropic. Citing a source involved in the project, the report states that Amazon's AI model will feature advanced reasoning capabilities and is expected to launch by June. It will be introduced under the Nova brand, a group of generative AI models Amazon announced last year. The model aims to integrate a hybrid reasoning approach, combining quick responses with more complex extended thinking. Amazon hopes to position it among the top 5 AI models based on external benchmarks assessing software development and math skills. And finally, Hasbro has announced Monopoly App Banking, a new version of the classic board game that replaces cash and the banker with a mobile app to manage all transactions. Designed to simplify gameplay, the app tracks each player's money and properties, making the game more accessible to younger players while reducing opportunities for cheating. However, it also eliminates Monopoly as a screen-free activity. Expected to launch in August of 2025, Monopoly App Banking will be available at major retailers for $24.99, with the app offered for free, though players must use their own mobile device. For more analysis of the tech news of the day, subscribe to dailytechnewsshow.com. And if you enjoy the show, remember to tell a friend to check us out. Thanks for listening. We'll talk to you next time.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now boarding Group A. Please have your boarding passes ready to scan. If your phone is cracked, old, or was chewed up by your Chihuahua travel companion, please refrain from holding up the line. Instead, go to Verizon and trade in any phone in any condition from one of their top brands for the new Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus with Galaxy AI and a watch and tab on any plan. Only on Verizon.
With new line on My Plan. Service plan required for watch and tab. Additional terms apply. See Verizon.com for details.
This episode is brought to you by Progressive Insurance. Do you ever think about switching insurance companies to see if you could save some cash? Progressive makes it easy to see if you could save when you bundle your home and auto policies. Try it at Progressive.com. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company and Affiliates. Potential savings will vary, not available in all states.